Sometimes you might be asked to find a trig function from a triangle, but not all sides are labeled, and therefore one of the sides that you need is not labeled. And so you're going to have to find that missing side first. So the nice thing about if you have a triangle with two sides, a right triangle with two sides, you can find the third using the Pythagorean theorem. So let's remind ourselves that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Whoops, I still have the line tool on, so let me change that to the pen. So it's the reciprocal of the sine of theta. So 1 over the sine of theta. And so sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So cosecant, if 1 over sine, is going to be hypotenuse over opposite. So from where theta is located, here is our opposite side. So we need this side, and then across from the right angle, this side is your hypotenuse. So let's go ahead and find this side using Pythagorean theorem. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. We know that 14 is your hypotenuse, so that needs to be c squared. So 6 root 5 squared plus, let's just call this side x squared equals 14 squared. Remember to do 6 root 5 squared, that's 6 root 5 times 6 root 5, or 6 times 6, which is 36, times root 5, which is 5. So 36 times 5 ends up being 180, plus x squared equals, and then 14 squared is 196. So to solve for x, we have to subtract 180 from both sides. So x squared equals 16, and therefore x equals 4. So this side over here is 4. So if we are looking for the cosecant of theta, like we said, that is hypotenuse over opposite. So in this case, hypotenuse is 14, and the opposite side was 4. So if we reduce that, that would be 7/2.